Hi, this is Art Chapman with Action Performance for this week's Tech Tip. What we're going to be talking about this week is the 4412 Holley carburetor. This is pretty much the general used carburetor in most circle track racing today. Guys sometimes have some problems getting them adjusted correctly, and that's what we're going to try to help you with. The one thing I like about this race car is that it has the proper air filter. The proper air filter on a 4412 is different than a 4-barrel. The 4-barrel position is a little bit different than the 2-barrel. So it's very important to have that. The 4-barrel air cleaner will actually sit over the top of the distributor and cause all kinds of ignition problems. So always use the right one. Second thing that's very, very important no matter what kind of race car you have is to have the proper fuel filter on it. Whether it's proper or not, have one. You got to have one. And this one, it happens to be in the rear, can be in the front, doesn't matter. Just make absolutely sure that you do have one to keep dirt out of the carburetor. Second thing, adjusting the float level. And the Holley carburetor is really very, very easy. There's a sight plug in the side, which you'll go ahead and unscrew, thread it out, put it down, fire the engine up, get it idling. Check your float level by looking where the fuel is coming out of the sight plug. It should just be at the very bottom of the hole. If it's not, very easy to adjust it. 5/8 wrench and a screwdriver. Put this together, turn it, adjust it to where you need it to be. A little bit of fuel will spill out, lock it down, wipe the fuel up, put your sight plug back in, you're good to go. Another thing I see here that I like a lot is this air filter seal. This seal is made of rubber. It's not made of paper like a street car seal is. It'll last a lot longer. It won't deteriorate due to vibration, and it'll keep dirt out of the carburetor. Dirt in the carburetor is a very bad thing, especially in a race car. So keep dirt out of it. Keep it adjusted properly. If you understand your Holley carburetor, you'll do much, much better, and you'll be much, much faster.